Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Prakhar Purohit. The question is I've covered my fundamentals as far as contest goes, but my scores in the mocks are low. What should I do? Now, normally, if your fundamentals are clear, the main reason why your scores are low is because your methods are wrong. I mean, you can solve it, a lot of people can solve the sums, but you are taking a little extra time to solve because the methods that you use are comparatively slow. So in that case, you need to change your methods as far as possible. So few things that you can do to improve your score. Okay, as long as the fundamentals are clear. One is go back to every sum that you solve, be it mocks or outside mocks, and see if you can try to apply good methods for the sum. Okay. Second, if you're learning some good methods, I'm not by methods I don't mean formulas, I mean methods, the process of solving, like using options, etc., or ratio method in some work sums and time per distance sums. If you learn those methods and see how to apply those methods into some of the sums that you come across. So learn the methods and then apply those methods as far as possible. So that should hopefully help you. Okay, the second thing. So applying in learning the new methods. Right. Third important thing is look at where you waste time. Analyze your mock properly and try to find out the areas where you waste time. Let me maybe list down a couple of them which I've repeated quite a few times. One, people normally waste time in selection of question. So when they have to select a question, if it's easy, medium or tough to identify, they tend to solve the question and then identify whether some is easy, medium, tough. So it normally takes 1 minute for them to identify the difficulty level of the question. Try to identify the difficulty level of the question within 20 seconds. That means you should be able to read a question and then identify, okay, it's easy, medium, tough. Second place where people normally waste a lot of time is they end up wasting a lot of time on tough questions because they feel that is easy, but they end up wasting maybe 4 to 5 minutes on a single question. In the end, they may not get the answer, and that's a waste of time. Identify that by looking at the time that you have spent per question after your mock and see is there any specific questions where you have wasted a lot of time. And maybe next time when you come across such question, is it possible for you to avoid wasting time on such questions? So look at that. Third, people waste a lot of time not only on difficult questions, on maybe questions they end up not solving. So again, in the end of a whole mock, try to bifurcate your time into time that you spend on question that you actually solved and time that you spend on question that you have not solved or got it wrong. And see your breakup of time. Normally you will see there is quite a big chunk of time that you have wasted in either the question that you have gone wrong or questions you have not solved. See how you can reduce that. And again, go back to any question that you have taken longer time and see if you can get better ways of solving and reduce the time. If that you can do, great. If you can follow a few steps where you can save your time, okay, that will help you to get more time to solve more questions in the examination. I hope that helps. Thank you.